feel
But
really
you're not wrong. The
attacked
flavors be
today.
busted. What's a disappointing candy to receive while trick-or-treating?
So this is not a candy. I don't think it is. But when I was younger, I used to get peppermint. So I put mint.
Is peppermint a candy? That is a good question.
I would say so, yeah.
So cough drops are candies too?
Sugar.
Oh, yeah. I mean,
I swear there's people who get cough drops just because they like the taste.
Some of them's good. Yeah.
It's pretty okay tasting.
Yeah.
Sure,
The
yeah.
lemon flavor.
Be careful. Some of them have medicine in them. You're gonna be like zucking on the medicine. All of a sudden, you don't know why you're loopy. Feels like you just had like 4 doses of NyQuil and you're not sick. All right, like I don't want that.